Hi everyone, it's Chloe here from the Chloe Bruce Academy, and today I'm super excited to be doing this product review on the Q2 mini massage gun. As you can see, I haven't even unboxed it yet. Let's see what's inside. Guys, look at this for convenience on the go. So I'm super excited to try this out because I use massage guns all the time for recovery, but also to warm up my muscles before training. So you can use this to warm up your muscles, get the blood pumping, and get the temperature in the muscles warmer before you train and work out, which will then decrease your risk of injury whilst training. But on the flip side of that, the reason why I really use a massage gun all the time is for recovery. And here you have it. So here's the gun itself. And this has come with 5 different attachments, which is amazing to trigger point different areas of muscle. So obviously the larger the attachment, the softer it will be, more for those larger muscles. And then these just slide in like so. Push them in, turn the power on, and you're good to go. And this actually has 5 different speeds. So if you push the power button once more, it ups the speed. We can go to level 5, or if you push it down, it turns it off. So it comes obviously with a full user manual. If you've never used one of these before, may be helpful just to check out how to use it before you even turn it on. Indicates how to do the speed level and change the speed, turn on and off. And if you look on the back of the user manual, there's actually a section here which will help indicate to when and where you should use the different attachments. Obviously it helps to activate and prime your muscles before training, but also it helps to relax them as well. So if you're feeling quite tight in a specific area of your body, use the massage gun, mainly with the larger one, which is this ball, and that will really help to relax your muscles and just help aid to that recovery even quicker. When you've turned the page, you can see here all the different areas that you can use these on. So like the chest, upper back, biceps. Obviously on your back, the only downfall is you will need to have somebody else to do that for you. Unless obviously you want to reach around here, more so to do like the shoulders and the traps here. And then you could reach around lower to do the lower part of your back. And especially with someone that struggles with lower back pain, it's quite easy just to sit side on and do your lower back like so. But if you could get somebody else to help you, it will really help aid that relaxation process. So there's so many different areas. Look in this manual. I highly recommend Bob and Brad Q2. Get it on Amazon, I've seen it. But check it out, it's a really handy piece of kit to have in your recovery bag. I'll definitely give this a 5 out of 5 from me, especially when I use massage guns all the time. It's just perfect to have on the go, and definitely one that's going to be coming in my rucksack everywhere with me from now on.